for the weekend, they're already in the snow. I'm at my desk while the joy in the yard sends up a wild echo. Jenny's gone till evening, I'm defending sanity. Eat free treat every hallway like a snow day vanity. Ellie's tearing through boxcar books like she's on some reading spree, while the boys build blanket forts and pillow kingdoms living rent free. We say we'll plan the season, get ahead and stay on track. Kids light the Advent candle as the nights fall late and black. Every year we swear we'll prep before the storm, but the closer Christmas gets, the more we freeform. Still the warmth keeps pulling us together like a cord, but somehow Christmas finds us even when we're overboard. We're counting down to Christmas, kinda sorta best we can, with the mess and noise of E3 running every watch our plan. Kids shouting memory verses like a backstage choir, and she gave birth to her firstborn son, echoing higher. Yeah, we lose track every season, but the joy still finds its way. 'Cause Christmas doesn't need perfection, it just needs us here today. Stringent speed was when the week off settles in. Everson is turbo mode and slides like he's our penguin. Emma's winter experiments, he puddles everywhere. Then he blames the nearest sibling with the scientist chaos player. Ellie hardly notices, she chapters deep again. Boxcar children volume, whatever, lost since 10:30. And I'm just jogging circles round the storms they generate in his descent. This where we're always running late. Resets us when the chaos is the max. Surfing turf is sizzling while I'm losing fights with gift wrap sacks. Jenny lights the final candle, kids and matching Jenny's glow. And his flame feels like a heartbeat breathing steady in the snow. Then the loop to verse they practice starts to rise and fill the night. And somehow Christmas finds us even when we're not prepared right. Down to Christmas loosely wildly in our way, with D3 joy and hallway storms that hit us every day. Kids shouting Lukey verses like they're launching into space, and she gave birth to her first son, lighting up the place. Yeah, we missed half of the countdown, but the magic never hide, 'cause Christmas Eve still get every heartbeat in this house of ours inside. And no matter how chaotic or late we tend to be, Christmas always finds the Houston crew exactly where we're meant to be.
Rage quit, kids outside screaming, Dad, come check, this is lit. I stumble out wearing boots from 2009. Jenny hands the gloves 'cause she knows I'll never find mine. I tied 3 sleds to the Denali hitch. Jenny mutters something holy with a tone like, you idiot, I punch the gas like I think I'm cool. Kids get out screaming, dust ain't no school. Dog-shaped miracle, kids tipping off sleds, honestly hysterical. This is our snow day, Supernova, dad bass lands first, family laughing it over. Kids blast off like they're learning to fly. Mom's on standby with the coca supply. Laugh till the neighbors think we equal roll. Jenny the queen, dad on a roll. Snap this moment, pure chaos, cold on snow days. Supernova never gets old. Great bear tube and Jenny's clutching the rope. I'm yelling, send it like I've given up hope. Kids spin downhill like gremlins in orbit. Jenny mutters prayers, yeah, she can't ignore it. Heading home for the ceremony, tree burn. That pine goes whoosh like it waited its turn. Black ash falling on the snow by the kid. Jenny deadpan, softly, this is just as life is. s'mores melting over faces like paint. Kids buzzing sugar high, Jenny Saint. This is our snow day, Supernova. Dad face Brent's first family laughing it over. Kids screaming joy like a punk rock choir. Mom keeps boots dry and the house set on fire. Ashy snow swirling in one wild blow. E3 Jenny and this lovable schmo. Freeze this chaos, let the record show. We're one huge supernova in the snow. Not side with reckless ambition. Jenny swoops in later like a cleanup mission. Gracie's running point like a furry commander. Kaz meeting snow piles like a tiny disaster. Jenny's out here saving lives every minute. The reason this circus has a 5 still in it.
Kids are on our way, bringing gifts for Christmas Day. Little hearts and treasures small, offering Jesus our all.
Tiny footsteps fall in place, journeying toward the sacred space, following starlight's gentle trace. I give hugs that never end, kisses that spit again and again, more than mom and dad combined both get. Cause your love reaches farther still, deeper than a heart can feel, greater than the greatest thrill. Pulls us onward through the night, leads our steps toward holy light. I would lift up a song so true, every note a gift for you, thanking you for all you came to do. I would sing with a fearless cry, melody rising to the sky, praising Jesus, my King Most High. Still, hearts ain't quiet on Bethlehem's hill, wonder pressing on every will. I would kneel where the straws lay, every trembling breath afraid, awestruck by the child God made. I would bow with my whole heart low, letting every wonder show, speechless in the manger's glow.
Christmas Day, little hearts and treasures small, offering Jesus our all. the ceiling nuts away. Bedroom turns to sky like it's repainting night and day. Snowflakes lift around me, glowing silver, blue and bright. Wings go from my shoulders, made of frost and northern lights. I rise above the rooftops, leave a shimmering ice trail. Trace a secret pattern, only winter stars unveil. I tilt my hand and watch the frozen narrow bay, painting tiny comets that go spinning out my way. I glide across the treetops through a quiet crystal home. Every flake I touch becomes a little spark of mine. Floating in a world where the cold feels warm and kind. I'm a winter fairy with December on my mind.
The pillow already on a slope. Swiss Alps rising under me like mountains built of hope. I'm pipe carved in moonlight, stadium in the sky. Crowds made out of stardust yelling, kid, you gotta fly. I'm dribbling a glowing ball while carving down the ridge. Kick it to the heavens, snap it back across the bridge. Launch into a backshot, blast a volley through the cold. Landed clean and perfect like the air, just grab my hold. Avalanche behind me, pushing everything to fast forward. Every jump I hit gets bigger, brighter, more absurd. I pass the ball, the sand shredding sideways through the night. He chips it back to me and I just bicycle it right. Scoreboard drawn and planets spinning wild above the pines. I laugh and shout, this mountain's mine, and I design the lines. Gravity unlocks itself and listens when I say, in the stream I'm undefeated. Every night I own the day. I drop into a frozen tongue. Snow piled high like castles built of glitter, ice and stone. A giant yeti waves at me with mitten-sized hands, yelling, come on kid, let's shake a whole world where it stands. I tackle him in slow-mo, he just spins me like a top. We body slam the mountains till the avalanches drop. Then the air gets colder, something roaring in my chest. Scales of icy lightning glow across my winter vest. I burst into a dragon made of armor, frost and flame, breathing out a cloud of diamonds, spelling out my name. I grab my yeti buddy and we rocket through the snow, throwing frosty high fives at every snowman down below. Every stalk we land turns all the sidewalks into slides. Every shot we roar becomes a sled the war can ride. I'm an ice dragon kid on a glowing midnight patrol, guarding all the sleepy houses with a wide and frozen soul.
You're gonna want to remember when the lights turn low, then the dreams turn bright, and we lift off, running through the Christmas night. We're flying where the midnight colors glow, racing past the moon on the drifting snow. If you feel the sky, start singing tonight. That's it, free, turning dreams into northern lights.
Tree stands by our bedroom and it's you that makes it glow. You move through every winter like you're brushing back the snow. I hang the lights and call it done, but somehow you see more. You turn our little living room into something to adore. The mantle changes seasons with the magic of your hands. Pictures shift from autumn nights to frosted wonderlands. The nativity stands centered like you center all our days. One quiet, steady heartbeat in 100 little ways. I never say it loud enough, but winter speaks it true. This house becomes a refuge 'cause of everything you do. You're the heart of our December in this wild and windy place. The calm within the chaos, the warmth in every space. When the snowstorms try to steal the meaning from the night, you fill it back with comfort, with cocoa, faith and light. Every December moment that our family comes to know, it starts with you, the heart of our December home. Christmas Eve begins with jammies from the box laid out by the fireplace. You're stirring up the cocoa with that quiet, gentle grace. You gather up the kids like you're collecting all the light, and somehow turn a simple night to something shining bright. You're tying boots and warming gloves at 7 in the morning, battling Midwest winter like you've done since they were born. 3 kids dripping snow pants, mittens scattered on the floor, and you get them out the door like winter's just a chore. You call it just the morning, but I swear the season shows. December only sparkles through the strength nobody knows. You're the heart of our December in this wild and windy place. The calm within the chaos, the warmth in every space. When the snowstorms try to steal the meaning from the night, you bring it back with comfort, with cocoa, faith and light. Every December moment that our family comes to know, it starts with you, the heart of our December home. When the world outside is frozen and the morning feels too cold, you hold this family steady with a strength you never show. And all the little things you do are bigger than you know. You're the quiet star that guides us when the nights are filled with snow. You're the heart of our December when the winter winds collide. The reason all this love stays warm and safe inside. Through the years and through the moments only we have known, it starts with you, the heart of our December home. You're the heart, you're the heart of our December home.
Ellie sparkles and dances under twinkling light. Everson and Emmett use their candy canes to fight. Each giggle, each clash, I hold like gold. The stable was my story, waiting to be told. Hands that spanned galaxies, reaching low, became tiny and fragile, only to show that joy to the world has come from each of you. In that manger displayed my love made true. Rushes by, the noise never ends, but I catch every whisper, every curve it bends. Through every little scream and every drop of glee, remember this Christmas to save room for me. Before the frost ever graced your window trim, before the shepherds looked out beyond a dim, I knew the echo of CJ's parental laughter. I felt the weight of fears chasing after. I shaped the hands that hold your children tight. I breathe the fire that cuts through the longest night. In a stable small, I whispered my eternal flame, a holy spark that forever calls your name.
crash my light to fight the dark that steals your sight. Whether your heart is full or your soul is torn, from a pillow of hate to the crown of thorn, the cross to the gate where the light is reborn. Unpolished real to bring a love even time can't steal. Filled or broken, laughing or in pain. From manger cries to a thorn crown reign, from the grave to the gates where heaven remains.
It starts with diesel growling at 3 a.m. Metal scrape on asphalt, here we go again. Hey, let's sweep my bedroom like a UFO raid. Backup beats and shovel hits, yeah, I'm fully afraid. I hear every single noise like a PTSD. Choir city set fencing coming, but they're darn liars. Slide to the window in a blanket cape, birthday suit ninja with my heart at stake. Wide awake, dread in the cold night air. Jenny's laughing softly cause this is my nightmare. I got PSSD, baby, it's ruining my sleep. Every plow outside makes my panic levels leap. 5 inches fall, man, I'm scanning the yard, cause the Vastra destroyed all my trees so hard. Yeah, I got PSSD, babe, my winter regret. They bulldozed my head, trying I'll never forget. Jenny thinks it's funny cause I'm calm in every storm, except when I hear that blake, you know I instantly deform. One night I snapped and hit the sliding door. Full naked sentinel, do recon on the porch floor. Nothing on Hambro style, judge me yet. I just needed them to know that I was a neighborhood threat. But when they crossed the line and pushed the snow too deep, I grabbed pants commando, just eat it to my feet. Coat half zipped, slippers full of snow. I charged through the drift, screaming, not in my yard, bro. Jenny in the doorway trying not to grin, cause panic mode Cody is a winner, only spin.
sleep. Every plow outside makes my heart rate creep. 5 inches fall and my soul leaves my chest, cause I'm still haunted by the tree hedge mess. Yeah, I got PSSD, baby, it's seasonal fear. I can't relax until the snowballs disappear. Jenny's in the kitchen like you good out there. No, I'm popping twice, I'm losing my hair. Remember the night I lost it at 4 a.m. Shoveling snow back at them, just feeding my mayhem. Shins, freezing toes, numb, zero logic in use. Parking lot combat in my slip-on shoes. He stared confused like, is this guy okay? No sir, your plow hit my trees today. Got payouts, new trees, scars on my pride, and one cheap chain link fence barely holding the line. I got PSSD, baby, I'm built that way. Hyper-vigilant dad on a snowy December day. Lights too bright, plows too loud. I'm patrolling my yard like a one-man crowd. Yeah, I got PSSD, baby, but I'm healing this year. New owners don't dump snow, my soul can finally cheer. But if I hear one scrape past midnight's door, I'll be barefoot in the snow like that night once more. Snow kicking up a winter trap. E3 racing, chaos everywhere in sight. Needles on the floor, lights angled tight. Almost lose the tree, climbing the deck stairs, but we grab Coco, laughing through the scares. Untangle the lights, wrap them tight on the tree. Gracie and Chasm jumping, barking with glee. Ellie's winter everywhere, mid-orders fly. Sun reaches high, almost touching the sky. Boss for a sip, ghost seems swirling around. Jenny can't help but smile at the joyful battleground. Every giggle, every spill, each playful fight. Our home a storm of color, warmth and light. Hey, hey! This is Christmas chaos and love collide. Come Denali rooftops and stockings by the fireside. Twine-tight cocoa hot, ornaments in fright. We celebrate the Savior who brings eternal light. Son, Emmett, E3, let it ring. Gracie and Chasm barking all the joy they bring. Gifts under the tree, yes, it's fun and wild. But Jesus is the reason we celebrate each child. Wrapped in stealth, hiding them like treasures, stocking the shelf. Kids speak around corners, whispering glee. Will they survive the dogs, the water, the tree? Morning arrives, chaos turned to light. Holy paper laughter fills the night. E3 our bride, eyes wide and bright. They cracked and bows aren't slipped in light. Christmas chaos and love collide. From Denali rooftops to stockings by the fireside. Twine tight, cocoa hot, ornaments in flight. We celebrate the Savior who brings eternal light. Ellie, Everson, and at E3 let it ring. Gracie and Chasm barking all the joy they bring. Dicks under the tree, yes, it's fun and wild, but Jesus is the reason we celebrate each child. All the chaos, the lights, Coco, snow angels made, all the laughs, the spills, the ornaments we've laid. Point to a stable, a manger, a tiny holy site, where Jesus came down to bring the world his light. Through every storm of needles, boxes, and fun, we remember the reason, Father, Spirit, and Son.